is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, gals, I'm going to tell you something, man. We got some big news coming for the Fairmont. I'm not going to tell you tonight, though. It's coming. It's coming. And I'm telling you, man, I got some big news for the Fairmont. Yes, I do. Oh, yeah, buddy. I haven't made a video in a few days. Guys have been busy. I got a lot of stuff going on. But, like I said, we got some big news coming for the Fairmont. Yes, we do. Oh, yeah, buddy. So I figured I'd hop on here and I'll let you know what's going to be going on with Mr. Mach 1's Garage, because we're going to be doing a lot of work on this right here, and it's coming. Oh, yes, it is. It's coming. So, Fairmont, fenders, Fairmont. Oh, yeah. It's going to start coming together, I think, a little sooner than we thought. Well, you know, we got all the suspension on. I still got to do some adjustments on the front and the rear suspension. And we got all that coming. And I got interior coming for it. Listen, this thing's going to start coming together, guys. Yes, it is. But, like I said, I got a huge surprise coming for the Fairmont. And I think you guys are going to be excited. I think you're going to be excited. Because I know I'm excited. So if I'm excited, I know you're excited. So I just want to let you know what's going on here in Mr. Mach 1's Garage, besides being packed with a plow that's got dirt all over my floor and my four-wheeler and my daughter's furnace that, you know, for her house, her trailer. And also, I mean, I got to get cleaning up, man, because we're going to start, oh yeah, we're going to start getting some really busy on the Fairmont. Yes, I am. So let me get this. So anyhow, with all this stuff getting ready to come about and this and that, because I've been working trying to get things together, and it's coming together. Yes, it is. It's coming together. So we're going to get the Fairmont probably, hopefully, this weekend. I'll start messing with the interior and getting the dash and getting the wire and everything done on the inside there. I am going to go with manual brakes. So I'm going to get that all set up and take the booster back out of there. So we got plans, baby. We got plans. Oh, yes, we do. But I'm going to tell you guys something. You're awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I tell them you're awesome. You guys have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time you watch this, because I'm going to tell you something. We got some good stuff coming to the channel. Some really good stuff coming to the channel. You guys be careful. Be good. And hey, let's get your Christmas shopping done, man. And one more thing I forgot to tell you. The 65 Mustang, it's found yourself a new home. It went down to Arkansas. Yes, my buddy Cutworm 59, he bought that car. Had his friend come over, pick it up. It's down there. Yes, it is. So, hey, Cutward, good luck, buddy. I hope you enjoy that car, and I hope you get it together and get it how you want it, because I know you're the man for the job, that's for sure. I ain't got the time or the knowledge like you do to get that done. So, Cutworm, thank you very much, sir. You're freaking awesome. And I'll talk with y'all later on. I just wanted to give you that update on the 65, but it has been sold, and it is gone. It's in Arkansas as we speak.